Top 10 most dangerous birds in the world. One of the most admired creatures in the animal kingdom are the birds. They come in a variety of forms, sizes, and colors and, as such, they have been immortalized in practically everything from company logos to government and political party emblems, to fashion designs and accessories, kitchenwares and a host of other stuff. The most notable, of course, is the dove, which has been an endearing symbol of the elusive peace. While some are gentle and can be raised as a pet, some are just so scary and dangerous and are better left untouched and undisturbed in the wild. Here are the top 10 most dangerous birds. 10. Red-tailed hawk. 9. Falcon. 8. Snowy owl. 7. Lammergeier. 6. The barred owl. 5. The mute swan. 4. Great northern loon. 3. European herring gull. 2. African ostrich. 1. Southern cassowary.